Hello students, here we are going to start part 5 of chapter 11. Start with anomalous properties of boron. Boron, the first member of group 13 elements, shows anomalous behavior and differ from rest of the members of its family. The main reason for the difference are: number 1, exceptionally small atomic and ionic size; number 2, high ionization enthalpy; number 3, absence of d orbital in its valence shell. Important properties in which boron differ from rest of the members of its group are as: number 1, boron being small is harder. It has higher melting and boiling point. It forms covalent compounds while rest of the member form both ionic and covalent compounds. The oxides of boron and its hydroxides are weakly acidic and dissolves in alkalis, forming metaborates. The oxides and hydroxides of aluminium and gallium are amphoteric, while those of indium and thallium are basic. B2O3 when combined with sodium hydroxide, it gives NaBO2. Similarly, when aluminium hydroxide combined with sodium hydroxide, then it gives sodium meta-aluminate. The trihalides of group 13 being covalent and hydrolyzed by water, whereas boron trihalides, due to absence of d orbitals, form tetrahedral species BOH4 negative. Trihalides of aluminium and other elements, due to the presence of d orbitals, form octahedral species. The trihalides of boron are monomeric. The reason being that due to its small size, it cannot accommodate 4 large-sized halogens atom around it. The monomeric trihalide, being electron deficient, are strong Lewis acid and thus form complexes with ammonia, alcohol and ether. Now, physical properties of carbon family. Group 14 includes carbon, silicon and germanium, tin, lead and ununquidium UuQ, which is radioactive. Carbon is the 17th most abundant element by weight in the earth crust. It occurs in the native state in form of coal, graphite and diamond. In combined state, it occurs widely as metal carbonates, hydrocarbons, carbohydrates and carbon dioxide in air. Silicon is the second most abundant element by weight in earth crust. Germanium occurs in traces. Germanium and silicon are used to make transistors and semiconductors. The natural abundance of tin and lead are 2 ppm and 13 ppm. The principal ore of lead is galena. Electronic configuration. The general valence shell electronic configuration of elements of group 14 is ns2np2, where n is principal quantum number. So carbon will have noble gas core 2s2 2p2, silicon noble gas core 3s2 3p2, germanium noble gas core 3d10 4s2 4p2, tin noble gas core 4d10 5s2 5p2, lead noble gas core 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p2. Covalent radii. The covalent radii of group 14 elements are smaller than those of elements of group 13. On moving from group 13 to 14 within same period, the effective nuclear charge increases and hence the covalent radius decreases due to stronger attractive influence of the nucleus on the outer electrons. Covalent radii of group 14 elements regularly increases as we move down the group. It is due to addition of new energy shell in each succeeding element. The increase in covalent radius from silicon onwards is however small due to ineffective shielding of valence electrons by the intervening d and f orbitals. Now, ionization enthalpy. The first ionization enthalpies of group 14 elements are higher than those of elements of group 13. Because of greater nuclear charge and smaller size of atoms of group 14 elements, the first ionization enthalpy decreases steadily on moving down the group from carbon to tin. The decrease is very sharp from carbon to silicon, while there is slight increase in first ionization enthalpy of lead as compared to tin. The decrease in ionization enthalpy down the group from carbon to tin is due to increase in atomic size and screening effect of inner electrons, which outweigh the effect of increased nuclear charge. The small increase in ionization enthalpy from tin to lead is due to considerable increase in nuclear charge, which outweigh the shielding effect of all the electrons in inner shell, including those of 4f and 5d electrons. Now, electronegativity. The elements of group 14 are more electronegative than group 13 elements because of the smaller size. Electronegativity decreases down from carbon to silicon and remains constant from silicon to tin, and then slight increase from lead. Metallic character. They are less electropositive and hence less metallic than group 13 elements because of smaller atomic size and higher ionization enthalpy. On moving down the group, metallic character increases. Carbon is non-metallic, silicon is non-metallic, germanium is metalloid, lead is soft metal. Now, last topic, melting and boiling point. The melting and boiling point of group 14 elements are much higher than those of corresponding elements of group 14. The atoms of group 14 form 4 covalent bonds with each other, and hence there exist strong binding forces between their atoms, both in the solid as well as in the liquid state. The melting point and boiling point decreases as we move down the group due to the corresponding decrease in the interatomic force of attraction.